Most building owners that I talk to are surprised when I tell them they should not buy a roof system based upon the warranty, but they should select the right roof system for the building. Why is that? A typical roof in America comes with a 20-year warranty, yet the average life expectancy of a roof is less than 17 years. Let's explore why. The number one reason I can think of is that it's not the right roof system for the building. I like to make analogies to the car industry. If you're a contractor and you need to haul heavy equipment or material, you buy a truck that's appropriate. A subcompact car wouldn't fit the bill. The same philosophy applies to roofing. If you have a heavy industrial setting, you may need a more robust roof system. A single-ply roof and a robust roof system both come with the same warranty, but the end result will be different if it's not the right roof for the building. If you'd like to explore that type of thinking, let me know. My contact information is in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me here at #RolfTheRoofingGuy at LinkedIn, YouTube, and Rumble.